What is your name? How old are you? National symbols of India. National animal. National bird. National flower. National fruit. National vegetable. National tree. National game. Currency. River. Flag. Aquatic animal. Heritage animal. Reptile. National song. National anthem. National motto. Very good, girls.